a lot of money up in smoke.
You think it's worth it?
That's a good question. Wow, back to the 1980s.
I'm famous. I'm a mother's camera. I'm famous. And the crowd goes wild. Whoa, how dashing does. Especially art.
And she goes wild.
Famous.
Wow. Violet, yellow, blue, silver, black. Which one should I best? Are they sprinkling off?
That's why, so just happen. If these pink ones and then after end up in gold and yellow sprinkles, they're my favourite. You know. And my second favourite ones are the smiley ones. Did the camera see them?
Yeah, I think so. Wow. Oh my goodness. Bigger. Oh my god. Wonder if Wales have won. Do you think Wales have won?
Wales against Belgium. Earlier it was 2-1, wasn't it?
1-1.
Earlier it was 2-1. Earlier it was 2-1 for Wales. I need to go to bed. Whoa! I think that might have been the end. Is that the end?
No,
No,
there's
it's
more.
not the end.
There's more. There's another
No,
one.
it isn't. Whoa! They're sort of pretty good. There's a duck sitting on that firework.
I don't think so. Maybe on the
Burnt his
water.
bum by
Hey, it's
now.
pretty nice to see it by the
He was
water.
sitting on it, but he would have burnt his bum, wouldn't he? Look at all that
Wow,
smoke.
that's really glittery. That's lovely.
I didn't manage to go back then. I was like shimmer, 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 and shimmer and shimmer.
That's
I
really,
didn't
really
manage to
pretty.
shimmer, 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 shimmer,
I
shimmer,
have
shimmer,
no
like that.
idea. That is the shimmeriest firework
That's
I
my
have
second
ever
favourite.
seen.
That's my third favourite.
You always say it's your second favourite.